Grow a strawberry plant. Take these things out and place on a paper towel. Ooh, well, looky here. Ooh, good job. Spray them down. Put them in a bag or container and put them on a shelf and forget about them. And for what feels like eternity, ta-da, it's a plant.
We made this video of us crafting a cactus a little while ago, and I'm here with an update. In the video, I used saran wrap because it was raining the next day and I also couldn't find my twist ties. I found them, I put them on. I did end up cutting the sides off a little bit more so it looked better. Essentially, these two cactus will grow together and become one.
Oh, hello everyone. Today we are back with another grafting experiment. First, respectfully slash the top off of your two cacti of choice. Next, we are going to peacefully join them together in holy matrimony. There she is, meet Susan. Did you know dragon fruit grow on cactus? Wanna see one climb up a tree? Water, sun, and soil. Oh baby, looky here. Now watch it climb a tree. Okay, have a good day, bye.